Hello everyone, I'm here today to do the giveaway for the Down the Rabbit Hole, an Alice in Wonderland um, collaboration between Tanya at Tatty Treasures and Nanine at Collage Type. Okay, got that out. I've had a hard time talking these days. So I think it turned out really cute, and someone is going to win this who has commented on these videos. Okay, so let's start by just looking at it and then we'll pick the winner. This is a little charm that I had bought for the other journal that I made last year sometime, and I knew I had something left, and I had this little teapot, so I added it here, but you can add it anywhere you want. This is some chiffon, like sari silk, but it's chiffon. Okay, open that. And then I decorated the edge of this box with some lace. Keep this in, let me see if you're okay. And then inside here is our little journal. And it just is so cute, so delicate. I put some seam binding that I had coffee dyed. It was green, kind of a weird green, but it turned out really cute that way. So this is the front cover. This is the side, and this is the back. And I measured this. It's 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay. And then we're going to open this. That is the closure tie. And then this is our beginning. Whoops. So I didn't decorate a lot of pages because I think there's like 60 some pages in here. I'm not quite sure. I didn't really recount them. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm getting a cold. So this is the blank pages that you can journal on. I think this would be just so cute for a young little girl. And yeah, put some birthday money. I've made these for my granddaughters, and I put a pocket with some money in it for their birthday. Here's a little journal card and a pocket. These are all from the kit, and I downsized the kit. I think I downsized them to the 5x7. I feel like, but you'll know if you want to make one, you know, what size it'll come out. Here's some vellum page here. Here's a picture of Alice and some trim on this side. This is vintage trim. And then here's some coffee dyed paper that I did. I don't know where this came from, but it's pink. In here we have the little door that I had to readjust it, cut it down to fit the tag, or fit in the book actually. So that's a little journaling spot there. I should have brought water. This is from a book that I had, this book, and I've torn a lot of pages out of it for other journals, just as little things to stick in pockets and stuff, and I used some of them in this one too. And then I have this little charm that I made with just circles, and advice from the caterpillar. Here's another pocket with another like envelope in that, and it has a little journal card in there. Yes. I mean, can you imagine a little girl having this and just going through it piece by piece? And then, you know, she could draw in it. She could put her own little things in there. Here's a pocket here, and this one has a little journal card in it. I think it's one of the first pieces I made for this. And more paper to write on. There's 3 signatures. And more vintage lace. Another pocket here. the teacup and the Alice in there. Whoops. There's another journal card here. Now these are from the original kit. They were all shrunk down. So if you wanted to, you could purchase, well, you could purchase the original kit and shrink them down if you want. Or maybe you have another story that you'd like to put in one of these. I think, all of the children's stories like Little Red Riding Hood or any of those, the Three Bears would be cute. And then here's another little charm with a key on it and a tag. This did not take that long to make at all. Okay, these are all vintage laces in here. Well, except this one. This one is probably a Hobby Lobby lace. It's just a standard one I keep. This is, somebody commented on the teacup belly band, which I think is really cute too. And then I made this little book, little notebook to stick in that. Okay, page here. Lots of writing spots. You could write a note in there to your grandkids or something. This is just a little tuck here, and this was a little flip I did. Here's a couple little journal cards in this little pocket. You could put maybe their baby picture in it or something like that, or their school picture, their recent school picture. So many little things you could come up with. Here's more journaling cards. I tried to put as many of the ones that I had in the pocket. A little bit of rose lace. And more writing. And that is the last page. So, somebody has won this. So I'm going to pick a winner. And that's for commenting on these. You could have commented on any one of them, and I put your name in it for the 4 that I had for the year, for the series. Okay. And the box is not super sturdy. It's just cute. And I finally got it to fit nicely now. Alrighty, so let's see who it is. I've got my list of names, and let me hit pick. Tina Lou. I don't know her, so can you guys see this? I don't know if you can see it. Tina Lou, L-U-U. Tina, if you're watching, please email me or leave me in the comments. Leave me information to get in touch with you. Or, I don't know, you really don't want to leave that information there. So, I don't know. Just go through my email. It's in my description. Go to email and send me an email to tell me that you saw this video. I will try to go to the comment that you left and let you know through that too. Okay? So, that's it. Congratulations, Tina. I'm so glad you're watching. I think you may be a new subscriber, and that's wonderful because I'm always looking forward to new people. Okay, talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.